Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to make a paper shirt. In this video tutorial, I'll be going over the basic steps for making an origami shirt like this, and this will be an easy origami tutorial because the process is really simple. Now, you have to start off with a rectangular sheet of paper. You can use pretty much any rectangular sheet that you would like. I just like to use regular printer paper like this. This is the paper that I used to create a paper shirt that is this size. Let's get right into the tutorial. It is pretty simple. So you're going to turn it sideways so that the paper is wide, okay? Then what you're going to do is you're actually going to fold the paper in half so that it is wide like this, okay? And you want to try and get all of the creases to be as close to being precise as possible. I'm pretty far away from the paper just due to the camera view, but I'm doing my best. So you want to make the creases, all of the creases should be really solid. So crease it, then unfold it, okay? Now what we're going to do next is we're going to take the bottom edge, fold it to the center line that we just created right there, okay, just like that. Once again, nice solid crease, just like that. Flip it around. We're going to take the other edge, bring it towards the center line that we just created. Very simple and straightforward. Make a nice solid crease just like that. All right, then we're going to turn it so that we have the line going vertically. And what we're going to do next is we're going to actually fold the corners to create the sleeves. So we're going to take the corners right here. We're going to fold them out to create the sleeves. Very simple and straightforward. So as you can see, I'm folding this corner out. Now, you can kind of go as much or as little as you want. You have to use your own judgment for this. But I just, I kind of just eyeball it, to be honest with you. So now we're going to crease this nicely, and we've now created one sleeve. Okay, and I'm going to do the same thing with the other side, and we're going to make sure that we line up the bottom right here. Okay, so you want to crease it so that it goes all the way to the corner, but you want to make sure that the bottoms are lined up nicely. Okay, just like that. Like I said, it doesn't have to be perfect, but the more precise that you can get it, the better off that you'll be. So I'm going to crease. Well, let's just try that one more time. Like I said, I'm pretty far away from the paper. So we're going to try that one more time. Let's crease it nicely. I really want to do a good job with this. I don't want to do a not so good job. So now we're going to crease that sleeve just like that. So we're going to make these creases really nice and solid. And we've now just created the sleeves. Now what we're going to do is take the paper, flip it over. We're looking at the back now, okay? This is just sort of like a mountain fold. So you see it sort of pops up. We're going to take this and we're going to make a decent sized lip. Now you can do a small lip like that. I like to do one that's like fairly sized, okay? Just like this. This is going to end up being the collar, just like that. So we're going to flip it just like that. Crease it ever so nicely, okay? Now we're going to flip it over so that actually the flap side is up on the top. And now what we're going to do is take the bottom right and bottom left corners, and we are going to actually angle them, okay? We're going to angle them towards the center. So we're not lining it up like that, okay? That's a different kind of fold. We're angling them towards the center, just like that, okay? So basically we're going to create the collars right now. So we're angling them towards the center. You can, like I said, eyeball it, but you do want to make sure that they are even. Once you've angled them, give them a solid crease just like that, okay? So angle them towards the center. Make sure that they're lined up. As you can see, they're nicely lined up like that. Give them a solid crease just like that. We're actually almost done. This is right towards the end. So right now what we want to do is we want to fold the sleeves into the collar, okay? So I want to show you what this looks like just to be clear. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn this around. As you can see right here, the collar is actually on the top right there. And what we're going to do is we're going to take the sleeves like this, okay? We're going to fold it up like that, and we're going to tuck this into the collar, underneath the collar, not in here, underneath the collar. So you're going to take the sleeves, you're going to tuck them underneath the collar, and here's a little trick. You want to line up this center line with that center line, okay? So line up the center lines, give it a nice solid crease, and we've now created our beautiful shirt. Check that out. Origami shirt made easy, simple origami tutorial. Very simple, easy to do. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.